Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our next chapter, chapter 3rd. Name of the chapter is Types of Computer. As its name suggested, student, we have to learn in this chapter about the types of computer. Computers are classified according to their size, according to their purpose. So in today we have to discuss different types of computers. So are you ready? Yeah, start. Classification of computer. A computer is basically classified into two ways. How many ways are there to classify a computer? There is the two ways. One is the based on purpose, means purpose wise computers का classification, based on size of the computer, size wise computer का classification. So in this chapter you can understand this is the computers are based on purpose. Purpose wise computers are categorized into three different categories. One is the analog, digital and hybrid. We have to discuss also about the analog, digital and hybrid. According to their size and performance wise, computers are categorized into four categories: microcomputer, mini computer, main computer and supercomputer. Based on purpose means purpose wise computers are categorized into three categories. According to the purpose, computers can be divided into three major categories: analog computer, digital computer and hybrid computers. What is analog computer? A analog computer accepts any type of wave or signal which is continuously varying in nature. It always gives output as a pattern. Example: speedometer and clinical thermometer. Students, analog computers only take the input using the waves or signals, and using these waves or signals it produces you output. Did you see the speedometer of your bike, of car, and maybe sometimes your grandparents, आपके grandparents गए होंगे थर्मामीटर, आपका भी कभी थर्मामीटर चेक किया होगा, डॉक्टर ने आपके टेम्परेचर बढ़ा होगा, आपको फीवर हुआ होगा तब. तो these are the type of analog computers. After that, digital, as its name, digital, digit, means this type of computer takes the input, accepts input in the form of digits. It accepts constant input and display an accurate result. स्टूडेंट, एनालॉग कंप्यूटर्स के रिजल्ट्स एंड डिजिटल कंप्यूटर्स के रिजल्ट में डिफरेंस होता है. उनका आइडिया लगता है, एग्जैक्ट नहीं जाता है, बट डिजिटल कंप्यूटर्स का जो रिजल्ट होता है दैट इज द 100% एक्यूरेट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, योर डेस्कटॉप कंप्यूटर्स एंड योर लैपटॉप कंप्यूटर्स. After that, hybrid computer. Hybrid computer is the combination of analog computer and digital computer. Sometimes it takes input in the form of analog, but it produces result in the form of digital. Sometimes it takes input from digital, but it produces result in the form of analog. Hybrid. It is a digital computer that accepts analog signals, convert them to digital signal and processes them in digital form. For example, heartbeat measuring computer in hospitals. Heartbeat, sometimes आपके पेरेंट्स ने कभी अपना हार्टबीट टेस्ट करवाया होगा, तो दैट टेक्स द इनपुट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एनालॉग सिग्नल्स. एनालॉग सिग्नल्स में से आपका इनपुट उसने लिया. आफ्टर दैट इट शोज ऑन द स्क्रीन इन द रिजल्ट इन द डिजिटल फॉर्म. एक नंबर आएगा कि योर हार्ट बीट इज पर मिनट दिस वन, मे बी द 80, मे बी 85, मे बी 90 और मे बी 73. ओके, नेक्स्ट. Based on size, mainly students here, according to the size, computers can be divided into six major categories. Students, here is the six categories: micro, tablet, and palm top. But micro is the main category, the subcategory of this tablets and palm tops. Mini, mainframe, and super. Major categories are the microcomputer, mini computer, mainframe computer, and supercomputer. But tablet and palm top is also included in this. But these are also the part of microcomputer. Microcomputer. Microcomputers are also known as personal computers. These are small in size and are widely used in offices and schools. Students, the computers which are keeping front of you, where you are sitting, the computers in your school's computer lab, those computers are also microcomputers. You can say your laptop computers, your desktop computers are the part of are in the category of microcomputer. Next is tablets. A tablet computer or a tablet is a mobile computer. It is larger than a mobile phone and has a touch screen. Tabs, you have to listen about the tabs now. These are the just something large size, have larger than your mobile phone. These also have a touch screen. By using this touch screen, you can feed data in that. Palm top computers. These computers are really smaller in size, and these computers are easily fit on your palm. Palm top, a small computer that literally fits in our palm, known as palm top computer. Mini computer, as its name mini, but it is larger than the micro, tablet, and palm top. These computers have a high speed cache memory. Listen, many computers have high speed cache memory in addition to the main memory. Mainframe computer. Mainframe computers with whose storage capacity. These computers are generally used in large industries, banking, organizations, and scientific research centers. Supercomputers. These computers have large memory. They can execute data and instructions than any other computer. These computers are used in scientific, space research, weather forecasting. Supercomputers. These computers have large memory. They can execute data and instructions faster other than any other computer. These computers are used in scientific, space research, weather forecasting, robotics, etc. Students, supercomputers are the fastest computers of the world. These computers are especially used by the scientists. These computers are used for the scientific purpose, for the space research, and for the weather forecasting. Thank you. Now exercise, fill in the blanks. Size of a computer refer to its memory size. कंप्यूटर का साइज किस पे डिपेंड करता है? इट डिपेंड्स ऑन इट्स मेमोरी साइज. A desktop computer is also called a personal computer. Desktop computer का second name क्या है? Personal computer. An Indian supercomputer is Param. Student, this is the most important. जो भारतीय सुपर कंप्यूटर है, इंडियन सुपर कंप्यूटर्स का, वो सीरीज है परम. मेमोरी साइज ऑफ ए मिनी कंप्यूटर इज मोर देन ए माइक्रो कंप्यूटर. मिनी कंप्यूटर का जो मेमोरी है दैट इज लार्जर देन द माइक्रो कंप्यूटर. सुपर कंप्यूटर हैज द मैक्सिमम स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी. A speedometer is an example of analog computer. True, false. Any machine that perform calculation can be called a computer? No, students. Every machine we cannot say which performs the calculation, we cannot say that is computer. False. A hybrid computer may be a mini computer, microcomputer or mainframe computer. Yes, student. Hybrid computer में mini भी हो सकता है, mainframe भी हो सकता है, and you can also use microcomputer. 2. A digital computer can even process varying information. Yes, a digital computer can even process varying information. 2. A hybrid computer is a combination of all types of computer. No, it is not all types. It has the two types, analog and digital. A mini computer is a miniature form of mainframe. Yes, it is the smaller than the mainframe computer too. After that, the definition of some computers. Palm top computer. Palm top, a small computer that literally fits on our palm, known as palm top computer. Analog computer, it accepts any type of wave or signal which is continuously varying in nature. It always gives output as a pattern. Digital computer, it accepts constant input and displays an accurate result. Tablet, a tablet computer or a tablet is mobile computer. It is larger than a mobile phone and has a touch screen. Thank you, students. Thank you very much.